So to get the bulge effect to work on a raster image, you'll go to File, Place Image, and choose the raster image that you want to use. And then you're going to duplicate that. So you can right-click and copy, and right-click and paste in place. Then you can see that you have two images. So select your top one and go to Effects and Bulge. All right, so then I'll just select some things here and choose OK. All right, now I need to position this. I may need to actually enlarge this bottom one so that the top image is covered completely. Okay, otherwise it's not going to look right. All right, with the shape that you made from your first image on the top, select both and go to Object, Clip Path, Set Clip Path, and then you have your shape with your image inside.